Apag creating a situation. Battle for the rebound. And a foul, holding foul, will be called against number 12, si Karen Francisco. And of course, the Union Sports League Women's Collegiate Basketball Edition inaugural season would like to thank MP Adulfo Personnel and Logistics Provider, OPC, or the MPAMS. Maraming salamat po. Ang Misuka, ang ating official game ball, our creative events and organizing services, our live stream and professional sounds provider. Also, we would like to thank Panpan Print Corporation, the Swiss Philippines All Hoops, Elevate Action Sports Apparel, and the Union Sports League is an initiative project of the First Coaches and Referees Union of the Philippines, President Ronaldo Noy Bermejo. At siyempre, big shoutout sa ating USL Commissioner, Coach Ewan Arayi, Deputy Commissioner, Coach Kay Lim, and our tech head, Mr. Albert Sumang. And a foul will be called against Zyril Cortez. So this will be 2 free throws. This will mean 2 free throws para kay Gladys May Kasupang. Kasupang not having a good offensive day and really struggling sa kanyang shooting. And the story of the first quarter or the first half, a 9-point lead at the first quarter, 20-11 para sa Adamson University. At pagdating naman ng sa ating second quarter, another outscored game ang ginawa ng Lady Falcons, scoring 13 points against just 10 ng Lady Radicals, kaya natapos tayo sa 33-21. At Kasupang with that speed charity. At the foul will be called against number 14, si Florence May Tagyam, and Elaine Etang will be shooting 2 free throws. Elaine Etang, she makes the first, nothing but net. And huli si Tagyam, no, as he was holding Cortez on that box out. Of course, Coach Arnold will not be happy. Then din ang coaching staff, as the assistant coaches are reminding Tagyam to just back down. At ito talagang yung width and height ng Adamson University was being used well. At ito si Bea having a difficulty finding the shot. And a steal. Lala losing that ball. And there's Cheska Apag with that court-to-court pass break after the steal. Francisco. Medyo may collision doon si Tagyam and Apag on that pick and roll play. Bea. And di tumama sa ring. Dumaplis. Entry pass, natapik ni Bea. Good tap by Bea. Lala now, pushing that basketball. Here's Kasupang. Kasupang, hand up to Francisco. And Francisco will convert that baseline jumper. And Elaine Atang creating her own shot, and she will be fouled. Two free throws para kay Elaine. And of course, our officials are crew chief Jovan Uy, umpire 1 Levi Soriao, and umpire 2 Rick Cruz, and our fourth man is referee Michael Condat. Oh, good entry pass, pero yung reverse layup was intimidated there by number 26, Nadine Munoz. Apag missing that one. Cortez. Back to Cortez! But she missed. Tapigan ng bola, napunta sa kamay ni Bea. Tagyam now to Karen Francisco, waiting for Reyes. Lala, back to Francisco. Masyadong masikip. They reset. Bea, open! Too strong. Cheska Apag with that rebound. Cheska. Kicking it out. Miss. Rebound by number 15. That's Sandy Ortega. Sandy, one of the reliable reliever from the bench. Here's Karen. Missed that shot. Munoz. And Elaine Atang. Munoz. Biglang nasa loob na. Sandy Ortega securing the rebound. Nahihirapan talaga ang PUP to execute their play. Francisco to Sandy. 3 seconds, 6 seconds. Francisco was forced to take that shot. Lala. And a steal. And Cheska Apag will have that easy layup from the pass coming from Jamaina Miniano. Another miss. It's now a 17-point lead. PUP was being held to just 3 points in this quarter by the defense of the Adamson Lady Falcons, and another 2 points. This time coming from Elaine Atang, or rather Elaine Etang, and PUP. Panti setting up. Sandy. Panti against Padilla. Sandy. Oh, another turnover as he tries to make that entry pass. Papunta rito kay Ariones. Carcalias. Padilla. Not using that pick. He stopped that dribble. Here's Etang swinging that ball. And that will be a travel on Trixie Burgos. Too low on that pass. Etang and Carcalias will lose the leather and the travel. And another timeout will be called here by Coach Buboy Rodriguez. That will be their second timeout sa quarter na to. So, isa na lang ang natitira sa kanila for the remaining of the second half. Magbabalik po tayo rito sa...
Okay na lang akin.
And we're back to the ball game. And a hand check foul.
Handcheck foul on number 5.
Padilla holding on to that. Ito yung malaking pagkakaiba talaga ng basketball nung unang panahon. At sa panahon ngayon, yung hand check talaga kahit wala talagang walang masyadong factor sa game or dun sa play. Pero once na talagang hinawak mo yan sa player, talaga itatawag ng ating mga officials yan. And Carcallas securing that leather. Padilla now, nagmamadali. Padilla at the corner. Carcallas faking that three. Carcallas running shot. In and out. At hindi makukuha ni Burgos yung rebound. Sandy Ortega, another rebound for her. Panti. Oh, nagantay ng bola. That is a bad decision. Para kay Michaela Misao na she was waiting for that basketball. Kailangan advance talaga. Amiril and Dalangin checking back in. Replacing Panti and Sandy Ortega. Here's number 77 running shot. Great drive coming from Joan Camagong. Dalangin. Hand up. Great fake. But could not convert that three. Ang ganda ng fake ni Dalangin. Misahon again. Medyo frustrations are we're seeing at the pace of the players of Coach Buboy as they cannot execute that play. Masyadong malalim yon. And bad break pa, tumama pa sa paa ng Lady Radicals. They will now have 13 seconds to shoot. Para sa Lady Falcons, as Padilla will do the inbound. Camagong for three. Short. Long rebound. Dalangin on the attack. Dalangin left the layup. Medyo wala ng control, no? As her momentum and a holding foul will be called against Aslia Amerel.
Personal foul penalty.
And the penalty here with 49.6 seconds at eto, there will be a substitution para sa ating shooter.
No two free throws for Charlene Carcallas.
Carcallas winning the first. She missed the second, but there will be a pushing foul on the rebound. Pushing foul will be called against number 30, Trixie Burgos. Or rather, sorry, that's number 20, Nicole Medina. Ang tatawagan ng foul as checking back in is number 8. Para kay Carcallas. Babalik si Mikel Manlimos. And another turnover for the Lady Radicals. So sayang. Running shot, miss. Battle for the rebound. Goes to the hand of Misahon. They can go for the last shot. 3 seconds differential between the game clock and the shot clock. Misahon. Turnover. Here's the Lady Falcons. Another, this time, ricochet of turnover. 7 seconds remaining. Dalangin, tuloy-tuloy. Running shot using that backboard. And we will end this third quarter